Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So, class 6, chapter number 5, PowerPoint presentation. Your chapter is class 6, PowerPoint advanced features. Now, last class we already completed topic themes like in your presentation PowerPoint. Then different types of colors as a background. You applied templates. About we discussed this topic, students, and use picture as a slide background in your PowerPoint presentation. After in the last class, we different types of effect we studied about. Then student, today we will understand slide master, okay, in your PowerPoint presentation, and different types of shapes, pictures, or objects you will you can create and apply in a PowerPoint presentation. Clear, students? Now pictures formatting, you can use this pictures like formatting in your presentation properly. So let's discuss about this topic, the slide master. So the slide master, student, a slide master or a master slide is a special type of slide that store information about the theme and style, slide layouts of a presentation, including the using background color, fonts, effect, placeholder size, positioning, and so on. So every presentation that we can create in PowerPoint that contains at least one slide master. So we can use the slide master of a presentation to make the same changes to all the slides, or only to the slides that uses layout in a presentation. For example, if we want to put a background picture on all the slides of our presentation, so we can put it on the master slide and will automatically appear on all the slides. Next is your view the slide master. You can see a properly view the slide master in a PowerPoint presentation. So we work with the slide master in the slide master view. So follow all the steps. First of all, student, open the required presentation, then which you want to change and choose. So and click on the view tab. Then in the master view group, click on the slide master button. The slide master tab will appear as the active tab or the ribbon, and the slide master task pane will appear on the left side of area. So you can see this is a slide master task pane and slide master view of a presentation. Then this is the slide master, and the next is the slides of supporting layouts. So all this slide master view appears similar to the normal view. So, however, in the slide master view, master slides are displayed in the task pane and not the actual slides. So the first and bigger thumbnail image in the task pane is the slide master that control all the slides. So if you want to make a changes to all the slides in a presentation, so we can do so by making changes to this slide. Then each slide below the slide master is a master slide for supporting layout. So for example, we can want to make a changes to all the slides that use the title, content, layout side. So we can do so by selecting making changes to the title, content, layout, master slide in the task pane. Then student, you can insert a picture on all the slides. So in a case we want to insert a picture on all the slides of presentation, so we can include on the slide master by the given following these steps. So all these steps, first of all, open the required presentation in the slide master view. Then after, select the slide master in the left hand. Now click on the insert tab in the images group, select the picture button, and the insert picture dialog box will be appear. So locate the picture file on the computer and select the picture file. Then click insert. The picture will appear on the slide master. So resize the picture as required and drag it to as desired location on the master slide in the right hand side. So to set the inserted and images in the background, click on point to the send back option and then send to back. After last, click the close master view button and exit slide master view and see the changes in the presentation slides. So you can see all the slides, student, in a PowerPoint. So this is a area of a slide, then outline. Okay, Now this is a slide option. After you can see this are drawing tools, so you can apply in this slides. Okay student, so different types of options are available. Is a design and all animation part available in this. So in a design you can choose different types of design like this. Okay, and you can choose different types of designs. Next is a colors, different types of colors available in a PowerPoint. Fonts are available. Then effects, different types of effects are available in a presentation PowerPoint. After background and styles options, you can choose different types of background style and hide background graphics. Then the next part is your animation, then slideshow, review, then view part. Okay, so you can see this is a normal view. Okay, so this is a normal view. Next is your slide sorter. Okay, so this see properly student, this is a slide sorter. Okay, then node pages, so you can see this is a node pages. Clear student? Now next is a slideshow. Okay, so you can see this is a slideshow option. Next is your slide master. So open slide master view to change the design and layout of the master slide. Just press and click it. Okay, so this is the slide master area. You can see properly. Okay, after you can see this is the themes, different types of themes available in slide master. Then colors, fonts, effects, background color also available. Now next student, in a view option you can see handout master, node master. So you can see you can apply different types of views in your presentation PowerPoint. Okay, class 7. Okay, class 6. So student, just go through all this topic in your PowerPoint presentation and do practice practically to make different types of slides. Okay, you can make different types of slides, apply all the themes, color, background, etc. Okay, class 6.